There are 4,000 chemicals in the burger. The bun itself has 1,456 chemicals. If each part of the burger contains 8 chemicals other than the bun, how many parts are there including the bun? So first, we know that the bun has 1,456 chemicals, and the total burger has 4,000 chemicals. Way number 1 to do this would be to use algebraic expressions. Our equation for this would be 8p, representing parts, plus 1,456 equals 4,000. So, what our job is to take all the known variables to the other side. So, first we take away 1,456 from both sides. To do that, we subtract 1,456. We subtract everything, 1,456 with everything. So, from both sides. So, 1,456 and minus 1,456. So over here it crosses each other out, so it's 0, and over here it would equal up to 2,544. So now we have 8p equals 2,544. Now, since over here 8p means multiply, what we have to do is divide 8p from each side. So that would equal, these two cross each other out, so p equals, if you divide 2,544 by 8, you would get 318. So in conclusion, p would equal to 318, which means that there are 318 parts in the burger, plus 1 for the bun that we excluded at the very beginning. Way number 2. Systematic trial.
So, for a systematic trial, what you want to do is you want to give yourself a broad range of what could substitute the variable. So you know there's 4,000 chemicals in the burger, yeah, whatever, and you know that there's 1,456 chemicals, 1,456 chemicals in the bun. So once you subtract those two, you obtain 2,544. So 2,544 chemicals, excluding the bun. So what you want to do now is you want to give yourself a broad range of variables that could substitute P, which is the amount of parts in the burger. So now what you want to do is you want to give yourself a range of what you can do. So you want to divide 2,544 by 8. That would give you the total answer, which would be 318. But for systematic trial, what you want to do is you want to give yourself a range of possible variables. So we're going to start with 310 all the way up until 320. Just imagine that was a guess.
And multiply everything by 8. So 310 times 8 is 2,480. And then 311 times 8 is 2,488.
What you can do is you can just keep adding 8.
Yeah, that way it'll be easier. What our job is to find 2,455.
I mean 2,544.
So just keep adding 8. So next is 2,504.
And now we didn't fill this out. Now we'll just keep multiplying by 8 until we obtain 2544. Just a break now. Okay, so we finally
found 2544 as our answer. So this is systematic trial. Though I would prefer to do algebraic equations, sometimes the right variables just aren't available, in which case you'd use way 2.
So, you know that there are 318 parts in the burger, excluding the bun, and if you want to do including the bun, you just do 319. And that's our answer.
Epic burger and 65% of all work done by Majid.
I did more work than him.
And rest of the stuff
Bye.
Yo, Majid, do you want to play Frisbee?
by Abenav.